Another example of thermal decomposition reaction is when we heat ferrous sulfate, iron sulfate, then it will forms a new compound, two or three new compound, that is iron oxide, Fe2O3, iron oxide plus SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide plus SO2 gas. You can see here this is iron oxide, sulfur trioxide and sulfur dioxide. This ferric oxide, this compound is nothing but ferric oxide, also known as red brown. It's have red brown color. Now let us see whether the reaction is balanced or not. So first of all, the number of oxygen here is 4, so we need to balance the oxygen first. Here it is 4, here it is 3, here it is 3, and here it is 2. So the total number of oxygen in the product side is 3, 3, 9 plus 2, 3, 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So in the reactant side we need to make it also 8. Now you can see here it is 4, 4 2 is 8. So now the number of ferrous atom is 2 here, and here it is also 2. The number of sulfur 1, 2. Here you can see the number of sulfur is 2. So the reaction is now balanced. Another type of decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic means the reaction, the deposition reaction is occurring under the influence of electric field or electric current. So let us see its example. When you supply it to when you supply electric current to water, it will form H2 plus O2. So now let us see whether the reaction is balanced or not. Here the number of hydrogen is 2 and the number of oxygen is 2. Here the number of hydrogen is 2, but the number of oxygen is 1. So what we have to do, we have to put 2 here, 3, 2 oxygen is balanced in the reaction, but hydrogen is not. So the number of hydrogen in the reactant side is now 4, and here it is 2. So put 2 here so that the reaction is balanced. You can see that this reaction is balanced. Another type of decomposition reaction is photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. Lytic means breaking of bond, you can say. Lytic signifies. And photo means the reaction is proceeding in the presence of light. So let us see some example of photolytic decomposition. Silver chloride, AgCl, silver chloride, silver chloride. When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight or Hν, here the nu is the frequency of light particle and H is known as Planck's constant. So sunlight means you can symbolize it as, you can write sunlight, either sunlight or you can give Hν. So when silver chloride is subjected or exposed to sunlight, it will form Ag plus Cl2. This chlorine is gas, so I put an upward arrow here. Now we have to check whether this molecule is solid, and let us see whether the reaction is balanced or not. Here the number of silver is 1, here it is 1, but the chlorine in the reacted side is 1 and here it is 2. So we need to put 2 here and 2 here, so that the reaction is balanced. Now you can see here this photolytic decomposition reaction is balanced. You can write 2AgBr Hν will form 2Ag plus Br2 gas. It is also solid, and this is silver bromide. So these two reactions is an example of photolytic decomposition reaction.